In taking a look at some additional key numbers, 3D Resources Limited, ASX DDD, has a current ERP5 rank of 15,101. The Value Composite One, VC1, is a method that investors use to determine a company's value. The lower the QI value, the more undervalued the company is thought to be. Value of 37.000000. The goal of the QI developed by James O'Shaughnessy, the VC score uses 5 valuation ratios. The general interpretation of the ATR is the higher the ATR value, the higher the volatility. The EBITDA yield is a great way to determine a company's profitability. This number is calculated by dividing net income after tax by the company's total assets. The EBITDA yield for the Star Entertainment Group Limited, ASX SGR, is 0.110278. The price index of Automotive Holdings Group Limited, ASX AHG, for last month was 1.08044. Heading into earnings season, investors often take close note of the volatility levels ahead of and immediately after the earnings report. The score helps determine if a company's stock is valuable or not. The FCF yield 5 years average is calculated by taking the 5-year average free cash flow of a company and dividing it by the current enterprise value. Similarly, the return on invested capital quality ratio is a tool in evaluating the quality of a company's ROIC over the course of 5 years. Similarly, the earnings yield 5-year average is the 5-year average operating income or EBIT divided by the current enterprise value. Keeping an eye on moving averages, the 50-day is 0.03, the 200-day is at 0.02, and the 7-day is 0.04 for Retail Resources Limited, RIDE.AX. Similarly, price-to-cash flow ratio is another helpful ratio in determining a company's value. The average FCF of a company is determined by looking at the cash generated by operations of the company